Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on Hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, you can use your phone's mobile data to connect another phone, tablet or computer to the internet. And sharing an internet connections in this way is called tethering or using a hotspot. So how to use that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you can go to the settings menu on your device. Well, and then here you can select connection option. After that, choose mobile hotspot and tethering menu. Okay, next you can select mobile hotspot here. Then turn it on like this. Well, and then for the second way, you can open Control Center on your device. After that, find the hotspot tool, then press on it. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn on hotspot network on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.